welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food and wish you all a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi in advance. As you all know, Ganesh Chaturthi is just round the corner and one special dish that is prepared in almost every home for Ganesh Chaturthi has to be Ganesha's favorite Modak. And so I thought of preparing these modak at home this time, especially during this corona times when nothing feels safe. And while I was making modak, I thought of adding a little twist to these modak and not having those regular authentic modaks that we usually have. I added a twist of strawberry to these modak and made strawberry modaks. So if you're interested in knowing how I created this recipe, then you are at the right place. I'll be teaching you step by step of how you can easily prepare these modak at home. And the best part of this recipe is that this is absolutely fireless recipe, so you can also prepare these modaks with your little ones and they'll also enjoy making these modak for Ganpati Bappa at home. And since this recipe is a bit hatke and different, everyone is gonna love this and you are gonna receive lots and lots of praises, and your child is especially gonna love it. So you do not want to miss this recipe, and if you want to know how I made this, then please keep on watching. So guys, let's get started with the recipe. We'll start by taking 1 cup of khopra bura in a bowl. Then add 1/3 cup of milk powder to it. Now add approximately 1/4 cup of cashew powder to this mixture. Now we'll add about 1.5 tablespoon of strawberry crush to this mixture to add the yummy flavor of strawberry. Now add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar to this mixture. Now make a soft dough out of this mixture by mixing all of the ingredients together. You can also add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk to give it a nice binding. Just make sure we need to make a soft yet firm dough. You can also add red food color to this to give it artificial colored look. I kind of avoided using that and it's entirely optional. Now we are going to prepare the surprise element for the modak. What we are going to do is, in a bowl, take 1 tablespoon of strawberry crush and to that add some chopped cashews and give it all a really nice mix. We are going to use this mixture as a surprise element by stuffing them in the center of the modak. This will give a really nice bite to the modak. Now take these modak molds. You can get them easily on any utensil store and they come in various sizes. I'm taking these and I'm gonna grease them really well using ghee. Make sure to apply ghee everywhere in every nook and corner. Now take a small portion of the modak dough and fill it inside the mold. Remove the excess dough of the modak. Just fill it in as per the requirement of the mold. Now make a hole in the center of the modak to fill in the surprise element that we had prepared using the strawberry crush and cashews. Fill this mixture in the center of the modak and stuff it really in. Cover it up with the rest of the modak dough and pack it really well. Remove excess dough of modak coming out from the mold. Now gently open this mold of modak. Make sure to be very gentle and then gently remove the modak from the mold, and your modak is ready. Prepare rest of the modaks in the same way. And our strawberry modaks are ready. So guys, I'm here with my plate of strawberry modaks and they smell divine. They smell so good and I just can't stop myself from having them. So let me have a bite of them and I'll definitely honestly review this recipe for you. Oh my god guys, they taste amazing, and I'm not saying this because it is my recipe, but I actually absolutely loved it. They were really soft and the surprise that we hid into it was amazing. It actually enhanced the flavor of modak and I absolutely loved them, and I'm sure your family is gonna love them too. So what are you waiting for? Do give this recipe a try, and if you try this recipe then do let me know in the comments down below of how was your experience with this recipe, and you can also share your recreations with me on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. I'm eagerly waiting for you guys to recreate this recipe and share your experiences with me. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.